Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are well there. Let me welcome in today's English session. And in today's English session, we are going to learn about the three questions. In today's class, we'll see the conclusion of this lesson. So you have to go on the page number 13, and this paragraph we are going to see. You have already up to that purpose learned. Okay, students. So here we are going to see how the king got the answers of his three questions. He was very much confused about the questions, and how did he get the answer from the hermit. Okay, so let's go students, we'll see.
Hello friends, let us conclude this lesson. You have already been answered. Whose words these are? Said the hermit, still bending down to the ground and looking up at the king as he stood before him. So king was asking him, "Oh hermit, will you answer my questions?" That time hermit said, "You already have been answered." Okay, how have I been answered? What do you mean? So here is hermit is asking, how have I been answered? So king was confused. He didn't get answer, but hermit is saying like that you got the answer. How did he get the answer? Do you not see? Replied the hermit. If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug these beds for me, you would have gone away. So here the hermit is saying to the king that, "Oh king, if you yesterday didn't dug the ground, if you didn't do my works, if you didn't dug these beds, then what had been done? You might went to your home or your kingdom. Then that man would have attacked you and you would have wished you had stayed with me." So the hermit is saying that if you went yesterday to your kingdom, then that enemy of yours who hide in the forest, he might kill you. So here he is saying like that. You decided to stay back, so he didn't kill you. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds. So here the hermit is saying to the king, the most important time was that when you dig the beds. And I was the most important man. And who was the most important man when he was digging? Okay, hermit was the most important man. And to do me good was your most important business. And what is the most important business here, dear students? The most important business is here to do the good of the hermit. So afterwards, when the man ran to us, the most important time was when you were caring for him. So he's saying like that, what is the most important, who is the most important person after the hermit? The most important person was injured person, because he had to cure the injury of that enemy, because if you had not dressed his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. So he is saying like that, hermit is saying to the king, "O king, if we didn't redress to the wounded person, he might die there." So he was the most important man, and what you did for him was your most important business. And you saved the life of that man, that was your most important business. So here is saying like that, remember then, there is only one time that is important, and then time is now. So the question of first, what is the question of first? The question first was that, what is the most important time? So the answer for the first question is that the most important time is now. Means what is the present there, dear students? What is present? That is the most important time. It is the most important time because it is only time we have any power to act. So in the present only we can act anything. So here hermit is saying that the most important time is present. And he is coming to the next question. What is the next question? Look here. The most necessary person is the person you are with at a particular moment. So here the hermit is saying to the king, so the most important person is that with whom you are at a particular moment. So here the most important person who is For the king, hermit was the most important person, because at a particular time king was with the hermit. For no one knows what will happen in the future and whether we will meet anyone else. So he's saying like that, who is a person near to you, that person is most important person, and the most important business is to do that person's good. So he's saying like that, the most important thing you have to do is that you have to do the good of that person with whom you are, because we were sent into this world for that purpose alone. Okay, so here we can conclude this lesson like that. The most important time is present, and the most important person is with whom you are, and the most important thing to do is that you have to do the good of that person. Okay, this is the conclusion of this lesson, dear students. Hope you are understood. Thank you.